Okay, so in this tutorial we're gonna start finally learning how to create an animation. So I'm sure if you follow my videos, you've waiting for that like forever, and yeah, here we go. So we got a few tools, few things, but for now on will be good enough. Some simple, you can just always do better. You can just tell me, no, I saw that one, do this and that. Don't really matter. And let's just start. So I created a solid, but oh, this is a problem. The solid is the same color of the background. Anyway, so let's just create a new black solid. Okay. Now let's create another solid, Control Y if you don't remember, and this one is gonna be a white, and we're gonna make it 500. Hey, no, anyway, it's not really matter if you just want like that. So let's start creating our first animation. I wanted this, go right from here and go right here. I'm gonna put it right here for this example. It's outside, you're not really seeing it in the video. We're gonna open this and transform, and here we got poison. We're gonna click this stopwatch right there, and we're gonna drag it to whatever we want, say 5 seconds, and take this with us to the other end. So now let me just stop and tell you something about the work area. Work area is when you're working on it. So if you just stay like that, it's not going to render it the rest of that, only that. So work area is kind of nice thing because After Effects is not giving you a live, like what you should do on preview. So it's one of the bad thing of this, and so that's why we need this, this work area. So anyway, you're not excited, guys? You got your first animation in After Effects. So let's just watch it again. We got your first animation finally, and I guess you probably know. So I want to show you a little bit of stuff, like using the scale and rotation. Okay, so I'm gonna click on J and K, both two very important shortcuts. K and J. It's bring you to the next and last keyframe. What this keyframe does is basically, you tell them right here you're gonna be right here, and in the next keyframe you're gonna be right here. So it just After Effects know if it's right here. So yeah, it just I don't know. It's everything is calculating that, and this is great. So I want to create a little bit of like rotation. So I'm going to show you now what doing every tool. So I'm going to close all of that, clicking on R for rotation. This is a shortcut. So the rotation is basically this tool you remember for this video, and let's give it this. If I'm going to leave it right here, so it's just gonna be, but I want it to be animated too. So I'm just clicking on it, make a keyframe, and right there I want it to be like, and for this, sorry, like here. So it's kind of nice thing, and let's see what we have. Yeah, so this is basically a fast little bit animation. And of course we're gonna learn to do a lot more effects and stuff with animation, because After Effects is an animation program basically, not after that, it's kind of animation program. Right here we can just control another thing, and if you see it like that, I guess you're not, but if you see, just hide those stuff. We don't really need this it's for beginners. And right here we got this, when you can just control it without really touching it. So let me show you something cool. So just zero this, and let's go right here and make it like 0, and go to the start and change this one to 1, no, actually I'm gonna undo for this, and that one 2 1. Yeah, basically let's give them a quick run preview. It's gonna make like, it's a very good thing, and probably, I know you can use any object, text and stuff, and we're gonna learn more about animation in, not now, because, in my future tutorials. So for now on, I just enjoyed this tutorial, and I see you soon.